I appreciate everybody for coming out here and allowing your students and bringing your schools out here to participate in my 1903 Harley Drew workshop.
We here at the 1903 Harley Drew workshop where I inspire and motivate the youth on the rich history of Harley-Davidson Motor Company. We're teaching them about custom building, designing motorcycles, showing them all the different makes and models, and giving them a little walkthrough of our service department and our parts department, and them giving a chance and opportunity to wrench on a motorcycle, and just inspiring them to do what I love to do.
The reason why we're here is just to see, to inspire us, from different careers in the automotive. So my favorite part was talking to the people here that made the motorcycles, and just being able to see how they did it from scratch.
This right here is inspiring me because I grew up around bikes too, somewhat around bikes. So it's coming out here, seeing all these bikes, really boosting my interest in this stuff. Meaning I can really come out here, show up, see what I can basically probably buy or build myself, and seeing this kind of inspires me to chase that dream, you know.
It's a way for the kids to know all the other job opportunities, the different career opportunities that the corporation Harley-Davidson has to offer. And at the same time, having them have fun and look at the different motorcycles, and who does not like motorcycles, all right?
Compton is a city I grew up in, and there's so many single parent households out here. And me just being a mentor, a big brother to my community, inspiring them and sharing with them my passion I have for Harley-Davidson Motor Companies, and I want to start with my community. Pretty much trigger something in them to learn and wanting to learn the rich history of Harley-Davidson and potentially a career and have fun doing it. And Harley is a company that you could have fun building and doing what you love to do.
Here's the ride.